Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Passage isn't baffling this year in Detroit. To start with, we got the 2019 Ranger, and now the 2019 Bullitt Mustang has landed in front of NAIAS 2018. The Bullitt isn't only a restyle in a tribute to the first Bullitt Mustang, which has been found by chance, it's likewise been worked over for more pull and a great burbly fumes note. Look at how it sounds in the video beneath. We should begin with the well done, the motor. The 5.0-litre V8 has been retuned to make no less than 475 strength and 420 pounds-to-foot of torque. The supporting is on the grounds that there might be a last acclamation to that number later, however don't expect a huge increment in either number. Think give or take 5 horses. On the off chance that these are the last numbers, that is a knock of 15 strength over the 2018 Mustang GT.